Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. Today we're going to see if we have any potatoes. These are about a little over 90 days, so we're going to try our luck and see if we were able to grow anything. So wish us luck. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start with this bucket right here and see if we have any luck. So, honey, want to do the honors? We're going to dump it in this bucket here and see. Do you want the shovel, hon? You want the shovel?
No.
Oh my goodness. That is packed pretty solid. I hope something was able to grow in there. I think it's packed too solid. Right?
I think I've seen a few of them in the top.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Is that where they grow, on the top of the plant? On the top of the soil?
Sure.
Alright, that looks like the one we planted.
Yep.
You sure you don't want the shovel?
No, it's all right.
Oh, we got a potato, guys! Our very first potato. Yay! Oh, look at that little baby one. That one's green. I don't think you're supposed to eat green potatoes. I don't think it grew long enough.
I'm going to take it because I want the dogs to get it.
Look at, guys, we got potatoes. This is our first time growing them. Oh my gosh, we got another one. Guys, I think we did good. Here, let me get the shovel for you. I think you can scoop probably a lot more.
Yeah. Thank you.
Another baby one. What do you think, guys? Pretty awesome, right? Let me show you what we planted. This is what we planted. It was a bad potato, and we just cut it and planted it.
That's it.
That's it for that bucket?
Yeah, not much.
Alright, put it right back in that one, I guess. That one, hey, you know what? I didn't think we were going to be able to grow anything. Pretty awesome. So we got a couple more buckets to go through, so stay tuned. Record it. And here's bucket number 2. I think we got something. I think we got something, guys. Yep. We got a potato. Nice. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that one. That's awesome. Here, dump it.
I'm just trying to get the top real quick.
You're trying to just get the top part of it?
Yeah. Seems like where the lower were. Oh, there you go. There's a winner.
That's a little baby. I don't think you're supposed to have anything with green on it. It's green. We need to get rid of it, I think. Because I think green potatoes are like toxic.
That's good.
Do you want your shovel?
That's it, done.
You sure?
Yep.
Let me move this so you don't ruin our best potatoes. Like stepping on them.
And the green ones, I'm not even gonna undo. You know what I
Why?
mean? Because they're still, you know.
You think they're still growing? Let's try
I
one
think
of
if
them.
there's any potatoes, they're gonna be green.
Can we try at least one of them? Just to make sure.
Go ahead, pick one.
This one.
One.
I don't even know if that's potatoes or... Because we did potatoes and tomatoes. Remember?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. We got potatoes.
Still green.
Can you dump it?
Yep.
So what, you think we should let them grow longer?
Yep. I know.
Do you want to replant it?
I know, it's starting to get like eyes on that one.
Do you want to replant it? I don't know if it's... Or do you want to just dump it so we can see?
There's more.
Yeah, dump it, babe. Let me come around you. Oh, look at that one, guys. See, I think if you leave them in the buckets too long, they'll start to rot. Honey.
Yep. Yeah, I think the soil was too compact for it to
Really do good?
go anywhere lower.
Yeah, it's very
How hard it
compact.
is. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, but you got to break that up. You can't keep it in a bucket like that. I won't be able to grow
Well, when
anything.
we go to use it, we will.
What, honey?
When we use it.
Well,
for
I'm going to
something,
use
I
it
will.
today. I'm going to put some stuff in there. Oh, you're saying to put some perlite in there?
Mhm.
Yeah, but can
Maybe
you at
we
least
should
break
pick
that
up-
one up?
We need to pick up maybe some peat. Put in with it.
Peat moss or peat?
Peat moss. Yeah.
Is it called peat moss?
Yep. Yep, that's it for that one.
Can you break that up? I think sand, if you mixed it with sand too, it would be another way to...
Yep.
That's two buckets down.
Yep.
What about that one? You want to wait and see?
Wait.
All right, so how many did we do? 3?
Yeah.
We got quite a few potatoes. See, they're starting to rot, see?
Yep.
Those are the ones that we planted. These can go in the composter, right?
Yep.
It's pretty good, guys. That's how many potatoes we have out of 3 buckets. So we still have quite a few more to go, but we're going to let them grow a little bit longer. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, stay blessed. All right, everyone, and this is the harvest that we were able to get today while we were outside checking the potatoes. So we got some sage, which is really good. We dry it, and hubby makes a really good tea with it. Then we got some tomatoes. We got some basil. And these are the potatoes that we were able to harvest today. And we still have quite a few more 5-gallon buckets that are, we're going to wait and see if we can go a little longer. These are 90 days, so obviously these have to go a little bit longer because some of them were kind of small, you know, but yeah, we're going to let the other buckets go maybe another couple weeks and see what we can get from them. So looking pretty good. And then these here are the onions, a couple of onions from the food pantry. They started to sprout already, so I'm going to go ahead and peel these and try and plant these and try our luck at growing onions. So pretty good. Pretty good way to help yourself out when you're struggling for money and you just want to do what you can to help with food insecurity. So this is what we have for today. So